Ladies and gentlemen, we don't talk about variables and how we take them, they store data where we go to use over and over for our program so that we know we dey write the same thing again and again like person when they don't put for rewind. Today now I will show you the kind ways we dey write variables for different kind of programming languages. We go start with JavaScript. For JavaScript, if you want write variables, you go use either let or const to initiate your variable. And you go dey write the name where you want to store your variable and you will set am equal to the variable where you want save. Let's say I want save the name of my page to the use again for my program. I go just write down like this. So now if I want use the name of my page for my program, I no go dey need to write that again. I will just dey write the name of the variable where I take save am. Another way where you feel like variables for JavaScript na with const. The difference between let and const, like say if you use let, that means say you go fit change the value where you store later. However, if you use const, na the value who you don't save, na only am you fit use. For Python, na like this we dey set variables. You see say for Python, we don't need any keyword let or const. They will just write the name where you want save your variable as equal to the variable where you want save. Shike now, I will dey explain more on variables and other programming concepts for my coming videos. So don't forget to like and follow this page for more. Thank you for your attention to this matter.